Outstanding design defines the 2007 Acura MDX. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, automatic temperature control, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.